on the baby's chest. Okay, guys, ganyan siya. First page. Okay. Next.
Sir, makababa din ang perfect.
Saan yung towel niya, baby? Next. Sorry. Next, after the towel. Feeding position.
Right side lying with elevated chest.
Chest and the head slightly elevated. So, ganyan lang siya. Well, next. Aspirate the tube before. Check for any residual contents and
Kink it first.
okay. Before you open this one, you have to keep it first, ha? Don't forget that. Then open. Okay, then insert the and then aspirate. Okay, letter A. Ano mali dyan? Letter A. Alam, letter A. Meron. If over 1/2 was obtained. Okay, so for example, the previous feeding is 10 ml and you were able to aspirate 6 ml or 5 ml. What are you going to do? Withhold the next feeding. Do not return the contents or the contents into the stomach. And then withhold and then you refer. You notify the healthcare provider or particularly your physician. Next, ano letter B, guys? Okay, if not half naman, guys, you will be returned to the stomach. When you returning, you may also listen to the or listen to the stomach. You will hear, anong garbing sound ulit, guys?
Gurgling.
Verboring sound.
Borborignic.
Okay, so for example, yan guys. Okay, and then, mandahan. Okay, slowly return the contents to the stomach. Okay, next guys. So keep again guys before you remove the syringe. Then place the feeding tube. Okay, next guys. Encourage the infant to suck on a pacifier. What's the rationale again, guys? To relax the baby and to allow or to provide for normal sucking needs. Don't forget that one na. Okay, so ganyan. Next guys. 6 to 8 inches lang guys. Or 15 to 20 centimeters. Okay, next. Okay, next. For example, you will feel feeding already. Okay. Sige po, sabay-sabay din. Sige, sabay-sabay. Feed is given to rapidly interfere with your peristalsis and abdominal distension, regurgitation, and possibly emesis if it's given too rapidly. Okay, so ganyan lang siya guys, 6 to 8 inches. Okay, yan. So nakakangawit siya. Okay, next guys.
Feeding time should last approximately
5 ml for 5 to 10 minutes. So 5 minutes for 5 to 10 minutes. Ay, 5 ml for 5 to 10. For example, 1 ml per minute. Okay, next. Okay, for example, the feeding dyan na siya guys. Then you may irrigate with, make sure na walang air ha guys. Irrigate with water. How many ml? At least 5 ml. Okay, irrigate. And then, before it reaches the end of the catheter, sige. Okay, before it reaches, clap it off, remove the tube, and then close the reservoir. Next. Okay, discard the feeding tube. Sige, next. Divert the patient. Ito na siya, guys. guys. Tapos, hindi ulit. Tap, tap, tap. And then, what's the rationale? In birth inhalation.
Expulsion of air.
Expulsion of air and
Avoid to.
to avoid abdominal extension, aspiration, irritation. Okay, next. After birth, place the patient at least 1 hour. To facilitate
Gas check,
emptying,
emptying, and minimize
minimize
regurgitation and
regurgitation,
aspiration.
Di ba guys, usually after feeding, di ba hindi mo na pwedeng ganyan yung baby na nakaupo siya. So at the right side line. Okay. Para hindi siya nakagano. Okay, next.
Observe the patient as patient should push after feeding, but when you are readapting,
Okay, what's up na again guys? It's the cessation of breathing. Note for vomiting and abdominal distension. Next.
Nabuwa kayo lang, hindi kayo pinagsabahan.
Record everything guys. And again, what are you going to record guys?
Readiness of infant to suck from the nipple.
Okay, type of the batch feeding, type of feeding, the amount of feeding, the time, what else? The activity before, during, and after the feeding. Okay, what's next? After you record everything, you'll do after. Yun lang siya guys. Nagets siya ba? Di ba? It's very easy because it's just feeding guys.
Not really, ah.